Did you know that elephants are among the most emotional creatures on the planet? These gentle giants are capable of a range of feelings that mirror our own. They mourn for their lost loved ones, expressing sorrow in ways that are profoundly human. And what's more, they can recognize themselves in mirrors, a trait that is relatively rare in the animal kingdom. This reflection isn't just a stranger to them, but their own identity. That's right. Elephants have a sense of self, just like humans. Elephants are not just emotional beings, they are highly intelligent too. This might come as a surprise to some, but when you delve into the fascinating world of elephants, you'll find that their cognitive abilities are truly exceptional. Let's start with their problem-solving skills. Elephants have been observed to display a level of ingenuity that's quite remarkable. For example, they've been seen plugging a water hole with a ball of chewed bark to prevent evaporation, demonstrating their ability to think ahead and solve problems in their environment. And their memory? It's nothing short of extraordinary. Elephants have the longest-lasting memories in the animal kingdom. They can remember friends and foes alike, even after decades apart. They also remember locations of water sources and paths across vast landscapes, which is crucial for their survival in the wild. Their brains are responsible for this impressive intellect. Elephants have the largest brains of any land animal. The elephant's brain is 3 times as large as the human brain, allowing for complex thought processes and emotions. But it doesn't stop there. Elephants also display an ability to use tools, a trait usually associated with higher intelligence. They use branches to swat flies, scratch themselves, and even dig for water. They've also been seen using rocks to break open hard food items. But perhaps what's most fascinating is that elephants show self-awareness. They can recognize themselves in a mirror, a trait only shared by a few other animals, including humans. This level of self-awareness is a strong indicator of advanced cognitive abilities. Elephants also show empathy, as they mourn their dead and even try to comfort each other in times of distress. Their social structure is complex, with tight-knit family groups led by a matriarch, further showcasing their cognitive prowess. So elephants are not only emotional, but also incredibly smart. Their intelligence is a testament to their adaptability and survival in the wild. As we continue to learn more about these remarkable creatures, we can only marvel at their extraordinary capabilities and intricate minds. Elephants are known as ecosystem engineers. Ever wondered why? You see, these gentle giants play an extraordinary role in shaping their environment. Their actions, often seen as destructive, are actually creative forces that benefit a myriad of other species. Take a moment to imagine an elephant in the wild. You might picture it plowing through the forest, breaking branches, uprooting trees, and trampling vegetation underfoot. While this might seem like wanton destruction, it's actually a form of environmental sculpting. By clearing pathways through dense foliage, elephants create accessible routes for smaller creatures, allowing them to move freely and safely. But that's not all. Elephants are also renowned for their ability to create water holes. During the dry season, when water becomes scarce, elephants use their tusks to dig into dry riverbeds. This not only provides them with the essential water they need, but also creates a lifeline for other animals. These makeshift water holes often become thriving hubs of activity, attracting a host of wildlife that rely on this precious resource for survival. And did you know that elephants are also responsible for aiding plant diversity? Yes, you heard that right. Elephants are prolific seed dispersers. As they roam vast distances, they consume a wide variety of plants. These seeds, undigested, pass through the elephant and are deposited in their dung. Away from the parent plant and enriched by the nutrients in the dung, these seeds often germinate and grow into new plants. This contributes to the dispersal and diversity of plant species across the landscape. In essence, elephants are the architects of their environment. Their actions, while seemingly destructive, are in fact essential for the maintenance and development of the ecosystems they inhabit. They create and modify habitats, ensuring the survival and prosperity of countless other species. So the next time you watch an elephant in action, remember this: their impact extends far beyond their immediate surroundings. Without elephants, many ecosystems would look very different. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of life on our planet, where every creature plays a vital role in maintaining the balance. Elephants communicate in ways that are truly unique in the animal kingdom. They've developed a complex system of communication that surpasses the abilities of many other animals. And it's not just about trumpets and rumbles you might hear in a wildlife documentary. Oh no, there's so much more to it. Elephants primarily communicate in two ways, through sound and vibrations. The sounds they make are low-frequency rumbles, so low that they are beyond the range of human hearing. This form of communication, known as infrasound, can travel over long distances and is used to send messages across the vast expanses of the African plains or the thick forests of Asia. And then there's the second form of communication, an even more intriguing one. Elephants can send and receive messages through seismic vibrations. That's right, they literally talk through the ground. They generate these vibrations using their large bodies and incredibly sensitive feet, which pick up the seismic waves traveling through the earth. But what's even more impressive is the range of messages these giants can send and receive. They can express joy, anger, grief, and even playfulness. They can warn others of danger, call for help, or simply say hello. They can even recognize the calls of hundreds of other elephants. Now imagine that. Being able to remember and recognize hundreds of different voices from your friends and family, even when they're miles away. This intricate communication system is a testament to the intelligence and social nature of elephants. It's what allows them to live in tightly knit family groups, to form friendships, and to mourn their dead. It's a language that's rich, complex, and beautiful. Elephants indeed have a language all their own. It's a language that speaks volumes about their intelligence, their emotions, their social structures, and their deep connection with the world around them, and it's a language that we're only just beginning to understand. Despite their amazing abilities, elephants face serious threats. There's an undeniable charm to these gentle giants, yet their existence is continuously at risk. The two principal threats that elephants confront are poaching and habitat loss, both of which are human-induced. Poaching, the illegal hunting of elephants primarily for ivory, is a widespread problem. Ivory, the material that makes up an elephant's tusks, is highly valued in markets around the world, particularly in Asia. This demand fuels a relentless cycle of violence against these majestic creatures, leaving many orphaned calves and dwindling populations in its wake. Equally threatening is the loss of habitat due to human activities. As our cities and farms expand, the natural habitats of elephants shrink. This not only deprives them of their homes, but also of their food sources, leading to malnutrition and, in severe cases, starvation. But it's not all doom and gloom. Around the globe, conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent animals. Strict laws are being enforced against poaching, while rehabilitation and breeding programs are helping to bolster elephant populations. Awareness campaigns are educating the public about the plight of elephants, urging people to reject ivory products and support conservation initiatives. Elephants are remarkable creatures that need our help to survive. Their future may seem uncertain, but with concerted efforts and a collective commitment to their preservation, we can ensure that these amazing animals continue to roam our planet for generations to come. So, what have we learned about these magnificent creatures? We've journeyed through the fascinating world of elephants, discovering their remarkable intelligence, which is reflected in their large brain sizes. These mighty mammals are not just powerful, they're deeply emotional and capable of complex thoughts and feelings. We've explored how elephants impact their environment, shaping the landscape around them and playing a key role in their ecosystems. They're not just inhabitants of their habitats, they're architects, creating paths and water holes that benefit other species. We also dove into the intriguing realm of elephant communication, learning about their unique ways of expressing themselves through touch, sound, and even seismic vibrations. All the while, we must not forget the threats they face, from habitat loss to poaching, which are driving them towards extinction. Next time you think about elephants, remember? They're not just big and strong, they're emotional, intelligent, and vital to our planet.